Today I'm happy to announce our brand new product, the XR Creator Studio. A full AI-powered development environment that lets you build immersive 3D and VR experiences directly in your browser, no download required. It uses A-frame WebXR and an agentic AI chat that can actually search the web, grab 3D models, and build your projects for you. So let's jump in. This is the XR Creator homepage. Right away, we've got two template options, 3D template or VR template, and underneath that are all of your existing projects. Let me open up one of my projects, the Warehouse Training Simulator, so I can show you what's inside. When you open a project, you land on the scene preview. This is your live A-frame scene running in real time right in your browser. In the next tab over is the Scene Editor, a full visual editor where you can select, move, rotate, and scale entities with 3D gizmos. You've got a scene hierarchy panel and an inspector to fine-tune properties. Then you got your Files tab, which shows you all the files associated with your project. I can click on index.html to see the source code and check out the attributions.md. The XR Creator Studio automatically tracks attributions for any assets you use. Now, over to the right is Immersive AI, your AI chat assistant and agentic interface. You can describe what you want to build and the AI writes the code. It can research the web, find 3D models, download assets all automatically. And you've got multiple models to choose from, Gemini 3 Pro, DeepSeek, Qwen, and more. Underneath the editor, you've got your project tab with all your project files. To the right of that are the logs, so you can see what's happening underneath the hood. Then the asset tab for uploading and managing your images, 3D models, and audio files. And lastly, the source control tab for connecting your project to a GitHub repo. Push, pull, branch management, all built in. And at the very top, your project name, save status, the focus mode button to go full screen, the deploy button to publish your projects to Netlify with one click, and an export button to download your project files. And once you're done building, head back to the homepage. You'll see the plus button that lets you easily share your projects to the XR community library. And check this out, we've got the new Generate with AI feature. The AI can help you write your description, fill out the form, and even generate a thumbnail, all in a couple of clicks. Hit publish, and just like that, it's live on my profile page for the world to see. Be sure to check out the XR Creator Studio, available now on the XR Community Library.
XR Community Library.